Good morning, guys. I am the old mechanic, and this is my friend, his Kawasaki Vulcan 1500 from 1988 or 89, I'm not sure, but well, it's a whole story. I make a link below you can click on, and in that link you can find how a dealer messed up. Perhaps that's not the right word. At this moment, due to that dealer, what they did to it, it's leaking oil now. It comes from this side where the generator is. Get that fixed. I'm gonna get this one off. There is one screw over here. It's a Phillips. See? And then you can easily get this one off. My guys, they placed a new battery. But watch, that screw is way too long. So, see, it's not all the way tightened. Not good. How easy it is to check your generator. It's so darn easy. It's just one bolt for this plastic thing. Then take, wait a minute, up. Up. Take this connector off, and there you see 3 yellow wires. This one, that one, and that one. And those wires goes to the generator over here. It's a 3-phase generator. What we have to do is loosen this bolt and get that out of the way. Easy. Loosen this one. 14 up. You have to get the bolt out, and then, okay, see, this one out of the way. It's socket 8 mil. One, 2, 3, 4, this one, 5. Oh, see, rubber washers, things. Put them in there. Okay. Hop. Guys, everything is covered in oil. I'm sure they didn't renew the gasket. They put a lot of, which is this. Yeah. Even kijken. Everything here. Okay. Now. We're gonna lean the bike over to the other side. I put wood underneath the frame on that side. Otherwise, there is oil coming out of here. Now, of course, we're gonna place a towel. This is where the generator is. I think they didn't renew the gasket. It's all filthy, oily. This one, 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 and this one. Okay, now, to be sure I don't mix up the bolts, I got a bakje over here. Okay, now, be careful for the length. This is a long one. Oh, oops, here. Then this is long, long, long. Okay. This is a short one. Over there. This is also a short one. Short one. Long one. Long one, and the last one is a long one too. That one is longer than those other long bolts. Yes. Now we're gonna carefully try. Okay, perhaps we can use. Kijk. Yes, this one. Be careful, there is a huge magnet, and over here we have they glued it on. This one we're gonna put over there, and now good. didn't put a new gasket onto it. There are two bushings over here and over there. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah, wait a minute. Put this over here. Get this thing off. Okay, now. Okay. From this bracket thing, get the bolt on the other side too. Okay, now we take the battery out with also way too long bolts. So, see, I'm gonna put some, don't forget it, this one I loosened, so do one too. Then we get the battery bracket out of the way. It's a socket of 10. Okay, up this one. Okay, this is the bracket, which is broken, but not that of a big of a problem. Now, let's see. Get the battery a little bit out, and then this is the battery bolt. Way too long. And now we slide the battery out. It's actually a brand I never heard of it. Nope. But we're gonna put it on the Optimate charger, so I'm sure that when the battery goes back in, it's fully charged. Guys, just behind the battery is the wiring that comes from the generator, and these are those three white yellow wires. So I'm gonna take them off. So up. Oops. Now we have the generator out, and over here you can see it leaked oil there, and over there too. So we're gonna, this is, nah. Nope, not good. At least not by my standard. You're gonna order a new gasket, and I'm gonna clean the old gasket away. It looks like they have left the old gasket. As you can see, there ends. Wait a minute. there was the old gasket, and they got they did a terrible job. Yeah, they left this one over here. This one. Okay. Yeah, I have to clean this really good. So again, oops, out of the way. Those are the 3 wires for the generator, and they go from there to over there. See? Now